Enough food for such a hungry chick can be exhausting. But driven by an innate urge to protect its offspring, for a king penguin, this is what life is all about. But one hungry youngster looks on helplessly. He hasn't had a meal in months. But the adult penguins are so dedicated to their own chick's survival, they cannot afford to help this stray. Abandoned and alone, he will not last much longer. For king penguins, guarding against the threat of starvation is essential. But for these penguins in Patagonia, danger